So over here you can see that I have my interface language of CapCut desktop editor in English. And if you want to go ahead and change out the language, then what you can do is you can go around onto the file menu right here. Then you can go to settings. And once you go around over here, you can see that you can go and access out language right here. And there's different languages, as you can see, just like this. So let's say I want to go around and choose the Italiano language right here. Then what you need to do is you need to select this and click on save, and it'll prompt you to restart CapCut to see the changes. So I'm just going to go around and restart it right here. So once you do that, this is what you have, as you can see. So now new project is in Italiano, as you can see right here. And if I were to open up this interface, you can see that the major options over here are shown out in Italiano, just like this right here. If I want to change that back again, then you simply need to go around onto the same place right here. So let's just go around over here. I don't understand the language, so I'm not accessing the proper settings. So I'm just going to go around onto settings, onto lingua, as it says in Italiano, and I'm going to go around and select out English right here, just like this, and click on this one, which may be a submit and restart. And now you'll be able to see your interface back in English again, just like this, as you work around with it. So that is how you can go around and choose the language option for CapCut Desktop Editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.